Welcome back, children. Now I will explain you the rest of the chapter. So here are the difficult words given on the right hand side. I will explain you these words also. Shrieked, gave a short high pitched cry, means a loud cry, that is shrieked. And now we will start the chapter from 6th stanza. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are times tables? The elf shrieked. Now the elf, he has to start his maths homework, and again Patrick, he was not very lucky in when the elf is doing his maths homework. We elves never need that. What the elf said to the Patrick, that we elves never need the maths subject, and addition and subtraction and division and fractions. So what he is saying to the Patrick, that we elves, we don't know about the math subject, the addition, subtraction, division, fractions. कहते हैं हमें ये सब नहीं पता है maths के बारे में. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. कहते तुम्हें मेरे साथ में बैठना पड़ेगा and you have to guide me what I have to do in your maths homework. कि मुझे maths के homework में तुम्हारे लिए क्या करना है. Elves know nothing of human history. To them it's a mystery. And for the history subject also, again the elf, he did not know anything. उसको कुछ नहीं पता था history के बारे में. और so the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library. I need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. अब जो elf है, he was again shouting very much to the Patrick, and he said, go to the library, bring the books for me, and I need more and more books because I have to do all the work for you. कि मुझे तुम्हारे लिए सब काम करना है और तुम जाकर लाइब्रेरी से जो है वो सब बुक्स लेके आओ, so that I can do the work for you, ताकि मैं तुम्हारे लिए काम कर सकूं. Okay, now there is a word nag. One who troubles someone all the time by complaining or asking them to do something. Then we have the word drag. Drag means something dull or uninteresting. And now come to the 7th stanza. As a matter of fact, every day in every way, that little elf was a nag. Means every time the little elf, he was troubling the Patrick. Patrick was working harder than ever, and was it a drag. He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and bleary. So now the Patrick, he has to work hard, and he has to stay up nights, मीन्स उसको रात को जागना पड़ता था. एंड ही नेवर फेल्ट सो वेरी मीन्स टायर्ड, और उसको कभी ऐसा फील नहीं होता था कि वो थक रहा है. ठीक है. एंड वॉज गोइंग टू स्कूल विद हिज आईज पफ्ड एंड ब्लेयरी, और अपनी वो आईज जो है सुबह जब स्कूल जाता था तो विद स्वलन आईज ही यूज टू गो टू स्कूल. Then there is a word slyly. Slyly means secretively. Then comes to 8th stanza. Finally the last day of school arrived, and the elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more. So he quietly and slyly slipped out of the back door. So what happened? The last day of the school comes, and the elf, he was now free to go away from that place, and he did all the homework of Patrick, and nothing was left. कुछ भी काम नहीं बचा था उसका, और वो चुपचाप से, so he quietly and slyly means secretly, he moved out from the back door. वो वहाँ से चला जाता है. Then Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. his teachers smiled and were full of praise. So Patrick, he got A's in all his subjects, and all his class teachers, his classmates, they were very amazed एंड दे वर ऑल प्रेजिंग द पैट्रिक. अब क्या हुआ कि पैट्रिक के सभी सब्जेक्ट्स में जो हैं ए ग्रेड्स आते हैं, और उसके सभी जो क्लासमेट्स हैं, टीचर्स हैं, दे ऑल वर वेरी सरप्राइज्ड एंड अमेज्ड, और बहुत प्रेज करते हैं उसकी. एंड हिज पेरेंट्स भी जो हैं उसके बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होते हैं. दे वंडर्ड वॉट हैड हैपन टू पैट्रिक. उन्हें समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि वॉट हैड हैपन टू द पैट्रिक. He was now the model kid. Kid means a child. Okay. Now he was a model for all the children. Cleaned his room, did his chores. Chores means होता है day to day work. Was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. So what happened? His whole attitude has changed now. He was a model kid. He cleaned his room. He did his chores properly. He was always cheerful, never rude to anyone, and he had developed a new attitude. Attitude means a feeling about someone or something. कि सबके साथ जो उसका बिहेवियर था, that has totally changed. वो पूरी तरह से चेंज हो गया था. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. अब क्या है कि एंड में भी पैट्रिक को लग रहा है कि उसने जो है वो एल्फ से सारा काम जो है अपना होमवर्क जो है वो करवाया है. बट आई विल शेयर अ सीक्रेट जस्ट बिटवीन यू एंड मी. इट वॉजेंट द एल्फ. पैट्रिक हैड डन इट himself. And now I am sharing you the secret. I am sharing with you the secret that all the work, the Patrick, he had done it himself, and because he helped the elf to complete the work, and it is only the Patrick who has completed all his work himself. उसने सब काम अपने आप से ही किया था, क्योंकि वो एल्फ की जो है हेल्प कर रहा था, बार बार सारी बुक्स उसको ला कर दे रहा था. ही इज़ डूइंग ऑल हिज वर्क, एंड इन दिस वे we can say that the Patrick, he had done his work himself. Hope children you have understood the chapter, and children you will be getting the worksheet based on this chapter, and you have to complete that worksheet and send it to me. Okay, thank you.